Transforming your family dinners and multi-dish meal prep into a streamlined, perfectly coordinated routine without juggling staggered cooking times usually means transitioning to an advanced, multi-zone dual-drawer appliance. The Philips 3000 series dual basket air fryer, 9.5 QT, black, redefines high-capacity countertop cooking by combining independent dual compartments, intelligent time-matching synchronization, and signature rapid heating technology. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its patented rapid air technology, paired with uniquely sized dual drawers, a large 6-quart main zone, and a 3.5-quart side zone. Instead of struggling with single basket space constraints or trying to time proteins and sides separately in batches, this system allows you to cook different foods at independent temperatures while using the auto-sync feature to ensure both drawers finish cooking at precisely the exact same moment. Performance and everyday versatility streamline busy weeknight dinners, family gatherings, and healthy meal routines. Outfitted with an expansive 9.5-quart total capacity that can easily accommodate up to a 1.5 kilograms chicken in the larger basket, the unit prepares substantial portions while cutting fat content by up to 90% compared to traditional frying. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by an intuitive digital touchscreen featuring 8 and 1 preset functions, covering fresh fries, chicken, meat, veggies, fish, cake, and reheating, easy match copy settings, dishwasher-safe nonstick parts, and companion app connectivity through Home ID for endless recipe inspiration. Things to consider before you buy countertop footprint. Because it houses 2 distinct, high-capacity drawers side by side, the unit has a wider physical profile than single basket models, requiring adequate counter space. Asymmetric drawer layout. While the dual-size configuration, 6 QD plus 3.5 QD, is masterfully optimized for an entree and a side dish, splitting massive quantities of a single uniform food requires utilizing the larger drawer or cooking sequential batches. So, who is this really for? This dual basket air fryer is an absolute home run for busy families, home cooks, and multi-dish planners who want massive family size capacity, independent temperature controls, and smart time syncing so everything hits the dinner table hot together. If you are cooking exclusively for 1 or 2 people or have minimal kitchen counter space to spare, a compact single-drawer model will better match your daily routine. Is it worth the money? If you value a generous 9.5-quart dual-zone capacity, automated sync finish timing, 8 versatile preset modes, guilt-free cooking with up to 90% less fat, and effortless cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts, it is a premier, time-saving investment for modern kitchens.